Slash and burn is a subsistence farming method that can be traced back to the Neolithic times. Practiced by about 300 million farmers worldwide, the technique is a primitive way to clean land, which causes serious environmental problems. Farmers cut down and burn a patch of forest so they can have a fertile area to grow their food.
Well, after cleaning the land, we had pretty good harvest the first year, but it became worse and worse, year by year. By the third or fourth year, the crop failed completely, so we have to burn another area to get the new soil prepared. You see, we have to repeat this to survive. Slash and burn is the cheapest and easiest way for us.
Slash and burn farming produces about 8% of the carbon dioxide that is being released into the atmosphere. Moreover, the haze caused by slash and burn farming causes a significant deterioration in air quality. The 2015 crisis in Indonesia caused more than 500,000 people to suffer from respiratory ailments.
The air quality in Singapore is very good, except when Indonesia is burning the forests. The haze is awful. You can even smell barbecue in the air. I don't think they have the right to pollute the air that we all share to breathe. They should stop using so selfish way to clean more land.
Every year, more than 1 million acres of rainforest is lost due to slash and burn. The deforestation alters the water cycles and endangers the life of wild animals. For example, in Indonesia, the critically endangered species Bornean orangutans is severely affected by the forest fires. Not only do they lose their home, their health is also compromised, as many of them are suffering from respiratory infection.
Although slash and burn farming seems to be the easiest and the most effective way of farming in tropical areas, there actually are alternatives that can reduce negative impacts of it. For example, the method slash and char has a lesser effect on carbon emission because it replaces burning with charring and sequesters carbon in a highly stable form. Another great alternative for slash and burn is Inga alley cropping. The Inga trees are planted in rows with alleys in between. Their canopies can shut out the light and so killing the weeds. The Inga can be pruned every year so crops or cash crops can be planted in the alleys, while bigger branches can be used as firewood for cooking. Smaller branches and leaves are left on the ground to fertilize the soil. Because the Inga trees can fix nitrogen and recycle phosphorus, the land can be cultivated for many years without the need of burning forest for more land.